Hello guys, there's a train track here. There's even a train. There's even cargo trains here. Let's see if we're gonna be allowed there. Guys, now we're at the train track. Shh. There's a train cargo here. Go. Now we're seeing everything we want to see. There's a train track here. I want to stay here. I want to see here. I hear something.
Come here.
Okay. I want to see under the train. Guys, we're going under the train. My goodness. No, I won't. This is not even train. This is train track. I think they're gonna explode. Let me go away. That's a lot of train tracks. Never mind, I'm going this way. I wanna go this way! That's a lot of train cargoes. Wait, let me zoom in. There's not even a single train. I think we need to say goodbye. I don't like to stay here anymore. Goodbye, guys.